Let's check out the new City Sling 3 from Air, which was just released this week as part of the City Collection 2. Air is a San Francisco-based brand making high-quality, stylish travel gear. If you want to snag something from their new City Collection 2 while supporting this channel, be sure to use the affiliate link in the description. So compared to its predecessor, the new City Sling 3 features a sleeker silhouette, a redesigned interior, ripstop nylon liner, Hypalon zipper pulls, a dual-access front pocket, a padded mesh back panel, and the ability to wear the bag over your shoulder or around your waist. The City Sling 3 comes in at 33 centimeters by 12 centimeters by 7.5 centimeters for a total capacity of 2 liters, and it weighs just 0.37 kilograms. It is made with 1680D Cordura ballistic nylon and features high-end YKK zippers and Duraflex hardware. It comes in 3 different colors, the black you see here, as well as a navy and an olive, and it's also available in an X-Pack as well as an Ultra version. The brand new City Sling 3 starts at $89 US. So let's start with the subtle branding, which is one of my favorite things about all Air products. And for this sling, the only place you're going to find it on the front is on the zipper pulls. The sling has 3 compartments, including the front dual access pocket, where the zippers open either way. Inside this pocket, you'll also find a key leash. On the top, you're going to find a pretty robust handle for a sling bag. And then the main compartment is going to also feature that dual access with the 2 zippers. And in here, you'll find 4 stretch nylon pockets, along with a zippered pocket, and a Kindle-sized pocket. In the back, there is 1 small additional pocket for things that you're going to want to keep up against your body, like your wallet or your passport. The bag also features a nice strap, along with a buckle on both sides. So let's pack this thing up as a flight sling. Since this is how I would use this particular bag, I think using this in addition to a backpack is a really solid way to travel. So what do you think of the City Sling 3 from Air? Would you use this bag for all of your in-flight travel necessities? Let me know in the comments below. As always, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Check back tomorrow for a look at the Slim Pouch 2. And lastly, here's what's on my turntable today.